If you're running an auto repair shop now and you want to make money, there's 3 things that you need to do, and the last one is the most important. So let's get started. Number 1, you have to be able to generate offers that put car count in your shop. Because let's face it, if cars go driving by your shop, there's absolutely no way for you to do anything and make any money. Number 2, when you run your promos, you've got to use a headline. Look, Mr. Ogilvy, who is often called the father of advertising, said the headline is the ticket to the meat. You really have to have a headline in order to get your customers to even read your offer. Just as an aside, if you had an offer that said, hey, I will give a crisp $100 bill to anyone who shows up at my shop tomorrow morning, but you didn't have a headline that actually got people to look at that ad, you wouldn't give away any money. But number 3, the most important part of every one of these things is that you contact your customer on a regular basis. Consistency is critical. And I'm going to tell you now, and that's why I'm putting together this brand new masterclass where I take 20 years of helping independent auto repair shops across America and Canada and helping them grow their car count, their income, and profit. And right now you can click the link below in this video and get on that early bird list and be the first to see as I take 20 years of helping auto repair shops and put it all out inside of an hour masterclass. You aren't going to want to miss this. And oh, by the way, if this helped you in any way, would you mind go ahead and hitting that like button? It really matters, and that helps tell YouTube that they should push this video to more repair shop owners just like you. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on a masterclass.